I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're dealing with locked payouts on Shopify after a dispute, follow these steps to get everything sorted out. Step 1. Review the dispute details. Check your Shopify admin for the specific details of the dispute. Understanding the reason behind the dispute will help you address the issue effectively. Step 2. Gather necessary documentation. Collect all relevant documentation related to the transaction in question. This may include invoices, shipping confirmations, and any communication with the customer. Step 3. Respond to the dispute. Use the information gathered to respond to the dispute through the Shopify admin. Provide clear and concise evidence that supports your case. Step 4. Wait for Shopify's review. After submitting your response, wait for Shopify to review the dispute. This process could take several days, so be patient while they assess the information. Step 5. Unlock payouts. Once Shopify resolves the dispute in your favor, navigate to the Payouts section to unlock your funds. You may need to confirm your bank details if they were affected. If you follow these steps, you should be able to unlock your payouts successfully. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get back on track.